What's the update, Callum?
Just spent $308. I'm broke now.
So Callum's over here working on this freaking hoopty instead of working on the freaking race car, the important stuff. No, spent $300 on a pickup. What all you did to it?
Spark plugs, coils, sway bar endlings, oil change, air filter. Yeah.
We have a beautiful car out here just waiting to be worked on. You want to tell us what the car is, Callum?
1979 Buick, come get you some.
No, it's a 1979-ish Pontiac Bonneville. And it's been sitting for probably, well, it was last tagged like 25 years ago, so I'm assuming it hasn't ran since. So we're gonna try to get it running today. Alright, first thing we gotta do is make it look like a race car, and then we'll be able to work on it. All right. Now it's gonna look like a race car.
Doesn't mean though.
What do you think?
Look pretty sweet.
That looks like a race car. Now we can work on it. All right, so we got to bolt down the carburetor, add a few distributor wires, and then we'll have to add in my little fancy wiring harness. There it is. All right, so this is a good carburetor. Oh, it's actually bolted down still. Sweet. All we gotta do is just throw some.
One that came on it?
Yeah. All we gotta do is throw.
Some come get you some 91.
Never mind. Don't listen to you.
Oh, okay. Some ether?
Yeah. Man, take that thing off. That thing's in the way.
Perfect fire starter. What's the update?
All right, so just like a quick introduction to this motor. We think it's a Pontiac 400, but I don't know. But I hooked up all the wires nice and precisely, and we put a battery to it, and I pressed the button, and it didn't chug a lug quite right. And so I was like, screw it. We'll just take it out, and then we need to find an LS motor to throw in it. Yeah, we ditched the whole starting it plan. It turns over, and the oil. It's chunky, but that doesn't quite matter because the fan spun. So, but just take a minute and just like appreciate this thing. There's only a few minor dents, no back window, but yeah, it's race certified.
Oh yeah.
American certified racer. So the new plan for this thing is get it all stripped out, get the motor out of it, transmission out of it, get it all. Gus! No. So get it all stripped out and everything, get it all ready just to completely build and go from there. Maybe try to find an LS motor sometime soon. And then I need a sponsor to buy the intake and the carburetor and the ignition box crap and other stuff. A radiator. This thing is cool, huh? Okay, and you take this, and then you grab this thing. You come over here, and you grab this bent steering wheel, because you got hit hard in the race, and yours is so strong, you bent your steering wheel. I think it's time. Shoot. Oh, ow. I guess back in the freaking dinosaur times, this is whenever they freaking put their bumper in their, oh gosh dang, I'm strong. Front bumper in the seat. Okay. We'll pretend. You got a nut?
Nope.
Gross in here.
Isn't there a go fast hole in the floorboard back here?
No, it's right here.
Oh. That's true.
That's gonna fit perfect. And if this could go on, but I think what I might do is be one of those cool guys. Get one of those quick disconnects. Oh, this thing got a freaking lift kit on it. The trunk is pretty cool. Check out that window. Oh, there's more spark plug wires. We got extra freaking parts. There's the drill bit I broke. Drilling out the lock in this thing. Ooh, a tire iron. You know what you can do with that thing? You know what you can do with these?
Tell me.
Do you know what they're used for? So basically, when you have a flat tire on the road, you're gonna have this with you, and to change it, what you'll end up doing is something like you'll sit here and you have to do this, and you have to do it manually, and you're gonna get mad. You're gonna get so mad because you won't have your little like dewalt to zoom it off. So you're just gonna be so mad and sit here and fight, and you're gonna be sweating, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna be heaving and huffing and puffing, and then you're just gonna get so mad. Certified. You ever done that axe throwing? How you do that is like this. Oh, dang it, my hood. Please don't tell my mom. Where'd it go? Oh, I gotta retry. All right, and then you go like this. Please don't tell Gage. Okay, retry.
Can I get a go?
No. Where'd it go?
It's on the other side.
Oh, there it is. Don't worry. I found it. So, like this. Alright, it's great. But anyway, so we're going to build this winter. We got another car we're going to build this winter. We're going to throw a 327 in one of them. Throw an LS in another one of them. And then have two hot rods.
Sure.
327. Turbo. Doesn't have a turbo, it's his name, Turbo. This is gonna help with ventilation. Get that nasty like syphilis out of there. Whoa, way better in there now. Oh,
Safety squints?
yep. I'm OSHA certified. OSHA certified. This thing is... We got brand new spark plugs.
Brand used.
Okay, brand new to me. Oh, here. We got an empty jug of power st. Ew. Is there anything in there? Oh, whoa. What is that? I'd say that's been in there since probably they abandoned this car in a field and ran it from the dinosaurs. What else is in here? Oh, no way. This is awesome. Told you they ran from the dinosaurs. This thing is definitely hanging from the rearview mirror. Look at that smile. Just so cute. Yep, we're hanging him from the mirror because he's cool. What else is in here? What's this? Oh. Alright, what's in this one? Ew. Oh, there's a scratch off ticket.
Is it a winner?
I'm not touching it.
Oh.
Alright. I think that's it for the cars.